Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect XM to TradingView. Just follow these steps so you'll understand how the connection works and where to access your charts. First, make sure you already have an account with XM Trading and TradingView. Once that's ready, go to the TradingView website. When you're on the home page, hover over Products, then click on Super Charts. Inside the chart screen, click on the Trading panel at the bottom. Next, click on Find Broker and type XM Trading. Now you'll notice that XM doesn't appear in the broker list. Even if you search for it, XM won't show up. And the reason is simple. You actually don't need to manually link XM to TradingView. If you go back to your XM dashboard, you'll see that the chart displayed there is already powered by TradingView. This means XM has built-in TradingView chart integration. So you can use TradingView's charting tools directly inside your XM trading dashboard without needing any extra setup. And that's it. Once you know this, you can easily use TradingView charts with your XM account anytime.